Good morning, first English students. So this video is on the paper English language and the last unit syntax. And this unit I am dealing this unit syntax. So in this, today we will try to complete this topic, immediate constituent analysis, ICA. In short, we call it as ICA, immediate constituent analysis. And what do you mean by this immediate constituent analysis? Syntax, that is arrangement of words, how we have to use the words and what are all the structures. So traditional grammar says rules. Don't use the word rules. So what are all the structures? What are all the structures in that language that we have to learn? And when we learn the structures of language, when we learn how to use that language, and then we can actually we learn the language. Okay, so what is the structure? Okay, netri nan pone. Okay, yesterday I went. Okay, so that's how words should be arranged. So this is called as syntax, and studying syntax is nothing but actually studying grammar, and so that we can learn the language in a better way. So when this is the case, then what can we do? How can we learn grammar? So traditionally, learning grammar is nothing but studying the definition of rules and regulations, and then examples and then exercises. So by that we cannot learn any language. So in the 20th century, many scholars decided that traditional grammar is unacceptable. Likewise, everyone decided. So many linguistics developed many theories on linguistics. Okay, so what is language? Likewise, many people theorized what is language and how to learn language, that we discussed. And so language is all about the conventions and the convention followed by the native speakers, how the native speakers speak, and it is not a kind of a rule, it is a kind of convention. Okay, so it is a kind of convention, and we have to learn a language from sentence to long speech, long writings and reading. So that's how we have to learn a language. Okay, so this is the structure that they introduced, and so the first immediately after traditional grammar, the next type of grammar by which we can learn a language is immediate constituent analysis. So what do you mean by immediate constituent analysis? That is ICA. So ICA is dividing a sentence into morphemes. Dividing a sentence into morphemes. So I wrote the summary or the notes of it, and you can simply by heart it. So it is dividing a sentence into morphemes. So an essay could be divided as paragraph, a paragraph could be divided as sentences, and sentence could be divided as morphemes according to ICA. Okay, immediate constituent analysis. So by that, when you want to construct a sentence, when you want to analyze a sentence, this is how we have to do, and this is called as ICA. So how they divide a sentence? Okay, see, I think I is as well as you. I think all of you know sentence pattern. So by the sentence pattern is very important way to divide a sentence. When we know sentence pattern, we will be able to generate, we will be able to construct many sentences by our own. So this is the idea, and that's why learning sentence pattern is very important. Okay, so rather than okay, this is called subject, this is called verb, rather than like doing like that, we ourselves, lots of examples should be given, and then okay, this is called as subject, this is called as verb, this is called as complement. Likewise, students should be taught and English language should be learned in a better way. Okay, so the concept of sentence pattern is not there in ICA. Okay, in TG, even in PS phrase structure also this is there, but ICA it is not like that. Sentence pattern is not ICA, but the sentence could be divided. Okay, how the sentence could be divided? This example is given in the book. I also wrote this example in the notes also. The boy shouted loudly. Okay, this is a simple sentence all of us can understand. The boy shouted loudly. Okay, let me explain this example in the next video by today itself. Thank you.